Hello everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how to scrap Google search results from any country on Google Sheet. So for that I've given a link here. So just click on this link and do a free sign up. Get the API key from the dashboard and paste the API key on the cell B1, and the second row is responsible for country code. So if you want to perform the Google search on any particular country, just select the country here. So I want to perform the Google search results on IN. So I have selected IN from the drop down. The next one is a search query. Enter your actual Google search query here. And this is the output tab, and we are going to populate the output, the actual Google search results here. So now go to input tab, click on the execute scrapper. So when you are executing this for the very first time, you need to do a one-time authentication by authorizing the script with your email ID. So now the script is executed. Now let's go to output tab, and now you can see we got up to 100 Google search results for the keyword OnePlus latest model. So let's see what all we got. First one is a rank, and the second one is a title, and third one is a snippet, fourth one is a link, and fifth one is a displayed link. So just to show you what you got, I'm got copy paste the search query on Google, and this is OnePlus.in phone. It's the first search results. Now you can see the link, and the snippet is OnePlus 80 that you can see over here, and third one is the actual displayed link. So it displayed OnePlus.in and phone, and you can see the same here. So to download this sheet, I have given a link in the YouTube description. Just go ahead and download this sheet for free. Let me know if you are facing any issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.